Tumelang, Sanmonani, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kamalam Dungbong Nika. If you're new here, oh Sanalam, you're welcome. And if you are returning Sabi, oh, it is always good to have you back. Yes, I'm back. Guys, as you've seen previous videos, I was doing look. So bendithi mandiqobe guys ndizonibulisa ndizovula le vlog I know vlog yethu iqale igqwethekile andiqala ngonibulisa ndivele nabona sendibhizi ndi-unboxa i-air fryer siphekele nomyeni wam. So yeah fantastic bendithi mandizonibulisa nothing much then ndizanibona kakuhle ngomso ndiza ngobumnyama sami kanti ndingutsotsi like hello. Okay guys, before ndiniyeke subscribe, please subscribe. If awukaka subscribe, please hit that button, like, yes, and please leave a beautiful comment. No njengo heart ciao guys. Siyalwa yini? Please tell your friends, man, to tell their friends. There's a here, it's a growing channel, so guys, please, it is a growing channel. So ngicela guys nibatshele ukuthi ngiyabacela kabarhupela ngicela bazonisupport uyanicela ubonke. Let me love and leave you. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Yeah man, I don't know so wenzani ngomso but see you tomorrow. Good night. Uyabulisa intombi yakwaDosini ezalwa ngumamqithi. Yes, esuka phi eNgcobo. Intombi yaseNgcobo emaqabeni. Kudla ngokuthiwa ke kusemaseleni. Andiyazi but ke amasela are all over. Anyways, guys, please excuse me, Sana, because wow, they are fake. Instead of being serious, I have a live audience right here, right now. So, yeah, as I was saying, ninjani, hope niyaphila. It's another day, another dollar. Benicinga uba ndibalekile. No, girls. No, bafazi. Konje asibukeli nabafazi kuphela la. No, guys, ndikhona. Just that, as benimentionile previous vlog, ukuba ndizonqaba kancinci because of 1, 2, 3. If awuyazi, go back uyobukela uzotsho uyazi uba why bendinqabile. Anyways, guys, how we are sitting on 16 subscribers. Imagine, guys, let's push at least if you could December 100. Let's push, guys. Please tell your friends to tell their friends. Hi bro, ngiyacela bandla ukuthi bazosubscribe. Let's push, guys. Ngiyacela yazi content engizanayo sizilalini, guys. Hey, sigaxa se-content. Oh, sigaxa. So we sit yadlala. But anyways, guys, let's push it, guys. It's not cute. Let's push, guys. Let's push. Please support me. Another thing, oh, guys, yeah, man. About that get to know me video, ne? Yes. I was watching other YouTubers, ne? So I think ne, personally, ukuthi ingabandle like ezinye YouTubers, like to ask you guys, yabo, not to ask you, you ask me, yabo, nimbuza uba whatever questions nazo ngami nifuna whatever into nifuna uyazi ngami, yeah, mangisho kanjalo, yabo. So I think mina kumele ngenze le nto leya, is it called NGL? Yes, I think it's NGL, yabo, whereby niyayazi mos ku-Instagram, whereby nizobuza questions and what's not, yabo, anonymous, yabo, so that ndizohlala phansi ndifunda questions, because I can't copy questions ababuza bona amanye ama-YouTubers, ndiwacopy and then ndizoniphendula into eningandibuzanga yona, yabo, ngathi azithi dubs. So I would love that. So but then ndizanichazela uba sizoyenza nini. Just stay tuned wena kuma-socials wami, especially on IG. Yes, just check my handle there, copy and paste. Yes, it's Bongi Ngcuka. If uyabona ukuthi uBongi Ngcuka sana uzokwazi umbhala, just go to my description, uzoyibona, copy and paste, then uzobona apho ke, yabo. Because nyani like ifan nyani, like ndifuna sazane nindazi kangcono. So by doing that nizobe nindazi kangcono, yabo. So yeah, ndizoyenza specific esayidini ayizohlangana any vlog. Bendithi nje ndini-update with that. Ningathi yo mane ebeka izitori nami ndicingile ndiqomba hayi mani. Imagine thatha uzibanibani, kunabantu endibathandayo ku-YouTube, ndithatha uzibanibani ama-questions abambuze, yebo. It's not nice, it's not cute. So I was thinking that, ne? But I will announce ukuthi sizoyenza nini. Yo guys, amehlo wami awekho right, guys. Ngifake eyelashes, yes, last week. But now the irritation and the discomfort ayipheli, guys, ayipheli, and mina ndingumuntu wamehlo. So I don't know, man. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna keep what, because guys, I hlupha amalashes. Makumele uhlambe, mina ukhethe ubuso umhlambe somehow. So yeah, kanene benifuna ukuthini yibu subscriber up if awuka subscribe konzacingayo babe ngizawuthini, and faka ubonds, please faka ubonds, like, yes, I'm talking to you. Drop a comment, man. Noba ngu-heart, hayibo, yabo. So wenzani namhlanje vele? I don't know, yes. don't know, but make sure guys, let's push. I think into benifuna ukuthetha namhlanje, let's push guys, at least fike 100 please. Then ke ezinye ke soyibona next year uba sifika njani, go 500, go 1000, go 20,000, sibona next year. But for now, let's push guys. If kumele uba hotspot umuntu athi ana data, ma hotspot ungene usearch bonge ingcuka, subscribe please guys, asibambisane. Iyanicela intombi yamadosini, iyanicela umadosini, iyanicela bethunana. I can even nina ngamadolo pants, yabo. So yeah man, another thing man, yazini, hey, I thought ukuthi mina whatever endi experience like last vlog in the ends where you go TikTok like I'm used to, like I don't know, it was when I think 2 weeks back, so ke ngoku ndiyancokola ke sana kuthiwa man injani channel yakho, is it growing or what? I'm like, let me check. Xa ndicheka man, why inama-viewers amangaka, more than 60 something viewers, but i-subscribers 16 doesn't balance ne, it doesn't. So I was like, hey, le nto le ndiqhele ku-TikTok, ndiyakwazi ku-TikTok ndipost ivideo ne, then ibe ne-viewers, let's say 10,000 viewers, ibe ne-likes ezi less than 100, maybe 20. Like I'm used to that, like ndiqhelile nako Facebook kanje. Bendingazi ukuthi nana how yeah hayi naze nangcolela, oh hayi ningcolele bafazi, shame. So let's push guys, let's push. Sana, let's push, meaning that kunabantu abathanda unibukela but abafuna bayiphathe family like fully ba subscribe. How ayibangcolele, shame. But anyways must push ba right babukele, siyabonga nabo babukele, but thina must push guys, at least fikeni ku 100. Oh ndiyanicela, kanirhupela, I'm begging you. Yes, I'm begging you. Yeah, I don't know namhlanje sizokwenzani, maybe sizoya mall or we'll cook together again. Guys, I have wooden spoons, personalized wooden spoons zakwa-Raja. Yes, what a time and bendi promoter. Yes, we got now as soon as Kaftina now we have wooden spoons, Raja and bags. I'd love to show you, but it's good right now, so so after that promo gig bendenza that weekend saphinda kakuxaxelela ukuba izoqhubeka until December. So I was booked even last week, but this week ngithe cha bandla guys, mna busy, so I have to balance my things, I have to balance my life, so andizuba available okokoko yebo kuma promo gigs. So back on imnandi lanto leya 5 hours, it's nothing man. But then of course when you go busy, but if you're busy it's nothing. If you're busy if I go busy it's nothing, but if you're busy it's something. 5 hours ungenza into ezininzi kula 5 hours. So yeah, so I think next vlog I'll be taking you with me. Your promoter Uraja Ukari. What's a mazolo Kari mama. Okay guys, sizabona kusesekuseni ngoku. Sizabona during the day ukuthi what up, mhlawumbe sicina sonke, siyaphuma sebethwa ngumoya sonke, or siyahlala with Netflix about the whole day. We'll see which is a big happy. But let me love and leave you for now. Bye. Next vlog. Bye. lunch. This is my lunch, guys. All thanks to my man. Yes. One thing about my man, was like two momos. And in order for yena eyokuthuma sana funeka ukuthi bakuthumayo uthi uzangiphandula. So namhlanje ngicela ngibenzele something. And what does that pass something? Funa ntoni emnandi. I was like, make tea for lunch. Yes, baby. Ooh. Yeah. No, my eyes. So yes, gloves. Ndibuya eShoprite. Bendiya eShoprite. Uyaqosha kuncane. Mara manje kuyadliwa ntambama kodliwa niphutha kuphekwa namhla yiSaturday mos. Cooking for who? Yeah. Asitheli yes. Twice. In the name of ukuthunywa. Ukuthunywa. Yes. Nami ngiyacela shame ngithanda ngenzele something. Ngiza kwenzela something. Tell you about. Not all the time, but yeah. Most of the time. Yabo? Siyathumela. Akuthumela kahle endlini nathi. Ngicela undiyele emall. So. Oh yeah, guys, amabhodlela ayadura. Yazi beniselikho amabhodlela ayadura. Ikhara liyadura ngithina. Very much expensive. Thina sinemigidi kanje. Oh. Awami. That's the nice ukuthunywa na. Anivi rice, guys. Niyazibaza imoto. When we go and eat tonight, there's a nepa. Later on, the peggy put on doing a peg it all. If we land delay, so you just on. Bye. With Chef Bunny, Chef Bongisan. I've tried. I don't know but I've tried. This is my Sunday meal. Yes. Before I close this vlog. So this is my meal. Cheers to that. I find Zami the champagne lumina speaking guys, never mind that Ben Pega and an apron. So you know an apron. So I've tried, guys. This is my meal ben's on Komisa. And if you've watched till this far, oh, let me hug. Subscribe, please, guys. If you get until this far, I will subscribe. No, yes, I'm talking to you. Press there, press on that button, and please like. Heart, just drop a heart. If I'm on your head, like beautiful vlog, whatever, just for your appreciation, guys. Aibo, please tell your friends, tell their friends. Sine mission must spend 100. My figure and December, at least push it 200 subscribers, ne? So, mandini share game nake, abo ducha. To my future in-laws, sana. Umdlalo lo, guys, and I'm trying to peg, I'm trying to listen, and you're not villa. So I'm forced to ukuthi ngenze them just because I'm vlogging. Yeah, if vlog, guys, bengingazupheka mna. I don't mind with your song for 2 weeks. I do not mind. So to my future in-laws, just understand ba ubongi uyonqina funa hlala cofa ifone atye yena whatever ikhoyo endlini, it ends there. I create content ends there. Dlala ndiyadlala serious. So anyways, let me love and leave you. See you when you vlog. Yes, I'll be vlogging. I think see happy lunch promo gig. See you on the next one. Bye. Let me hug you. Bye. Mwah.